Hey there, quick check. Does your email have any of these? Please do the needful. Kindly revert back at the earliest. I'm waiting for your positive response. If yes, this video is for you. These phrases are not wrong, but they make you sound outdated in a modern workplace. So try these instead. Instead of writing, do the needful, just say, please action this by Friday. Instead of revert back, please reply by end of day. Instead of positive response, I look forward to hearing from you. Same email, half the words, twice the professionalism. Modern professional English is clear, direct and respectful, not flowery. Save this and fix one email today. Just one. See you next time. Bye.